let's do some tests and see how it performs. So we'll start with some smaller branches. Okay, and let's try a bit bigger one, like this one. Whoa, whoa, that's why safety is very important. And now we'll try this really big one, which is this one. Here we go. So I got this RYOBI pole chainsaw to test. I got it for free and I'm quite pleased with the results. So this is a mini chainsaw, so it does have a chain like any other chainsaw, it's just a little bit smaller. It's got a self-lubricating mechanism, so I just needed to add a bit of oil here and it does get onto the chain. It does come with an extension, so this bit I can remove if I want to make it shorter and easier to operate. It does come with this nice rubber grip, which is actually helpful, and this safety strap or just a strap, which is really helpful in some situations. For example, I can prop it against my leg and it's easier to hold. There is a safety kind of a trigger at the back, so first I need to press it and then the one below to turn it on. The only thing that I didn't like about it is that when I added too much oil, it kind of spilled in the storage, but other than that, the saw is really good. So let's see how it performs on the tree. Okay, it's going quite well, I believe. Okay, so that's how it works. It's pretty good. There isn't really anything that I don't like about it. It's just what I want to say is that safety is really important. So gloves, glasses, and ideally some head cover. I had a few situations when branches fell on me unexpectedly. Even though I was thinking about it, I didn't predict that and branches fell on me. So something to be really careful about. And ideally, you shouldn't be working by yourself. I think it's best to have someone else around in case there is trouble. But if we are careful, it should be absolutely fine, you know. So, and yeah, I've tested it, and it's not a good idea to cut branches when they are on the ground. I'll show you why. I mean, okay, this one went well, but anything smaller than that, it might start bouncing. Yeah, it just becomes dangerous. So really need to be careful if you want to cut anything on the ground. It needs to be really well held by something. It cannot be loose because it starts bouncing. Okay, so now after chopping it for, I don't know, 10-15 minutes, we got rid of quite a lot of branches. So of this tree, and then the smaller one, this one, and then we've got branches here, so quite a lot, as you can hopefully see, and it came off this tree, and it's now much thinner. And just to show you, on our side we kind of trimmed it along the fence, so there is almost nothing sticking out apart from this bit, but everything else has been trimmed off nicely. And it did take me a very short time. It wasn't, you know, I don't know, 10-15 minutes altogether. So I'm really pleased with this saw. Really useful. Even if I only use it 2-3 times a year, it's very useful. So thank you for watching. Take care.